Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQs test. So first of all, you must read Gotranscript Transcription Guideline rule. This will help you during the MCQs test. This guideline is very important. You must read this guideline 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the audio test as well. After reading these transcription guidelines, let's start the MCQs test first. And first question is, what is the proper format of a speaker label? For example, this speaker. So the correct format of this speaker label is C. Speaker label always in bold form. So if you have any doubt, you simply check in Transcription Guideline rule. So second question is, longer speech should be separated into paragraph form. So we simply check in Transcription Guideline using Ctrl+F command, and you see longer speech should be separated into smaller paragraph. Paragraph should not be longer than 500 symbol, about 100 words or 3 to 4 lines in the transcription tool. So the correct option is first one. Third question is, I meet dash in Lithuania. There are 3 different options and correct option is C. Fourth question is, a transcriber should italicize. So we simply check in transcription guideline page and you see italicize film, books, magazine, song title as well as arts works, plays, TV and radio program, foreign expression, etc. So according to the transcription guideline rules, song title, TV and radio programs and foreign expression are correct answer. Fifth question is, do you have to transcribe starters full verbatim? So we simply check in transcription guideline full verbatim section starters. Note, keep repetition word expressing passes. So in full verbatim, last option is correct. Yes, for instance, I love basketball. So this option is correct. Sixth question is, I endure you and dash smile. So correct answer is your. Seventh question is, what is rule about in Gotranscription Guideline? So these small brackets should never be used for the timestamping. For instance, this is the correct form of timestamping and this is not. So seventh question answer is B. Eighth question is, a full verbatim files contain false start, speech error. These include in full verbatim file. Ninth question is, I dashed to the gym last night. I went to the gym last night. A customer dedicates section on how to transcribe audio. Do you have transcribed the section word for word? So first option is correct. Instruction of or spoken direction, new paragraph, comma, period should only be followed unless a client specify otherwise. So after all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So please check video description. There is link for audio test, and I hope you like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.